Hi. Respect is one of the most important assets in life. Unfortunately, it can be difficult to maintain, and you can often lose it without even realizing you're doing anything wrong. It's even easier to lose when other people are actively trying to take your respect from you. Here are 5 things that make people lose respect for you. Number 1. You make assumptions. One of the fastest ways to lose someone's respect is by making an assumption. If you act like you know something when you don't, or if you accuse someone of doing something they didn't do, it will likely cause others to lose respect for you. Most people understand that making assumptions can hurt feelings and damage relationships. Be sure that everything you say is based on facts and not rumors or gossip to prevent this from happening. Number 2. You refuse to apologize. Apologies are big because they show that you can admit when you're wrong and work hard to make things better. Those who refuse to apologize probably feel that they don't need to do this because it's unnecessary. But the truth is that refusing to apologize can hurt your reputation and cause people to lose respect for you. Because many people believe that those who refuse to apologize often have something to hide, or feel they don't deserve the apology in the first place. This will undoubtedly jeopardize your reputation, and it's not worth it. Number 3. You act superior. Although you can genuinely respect and admire others, there's a difference between appreciating someone and acting superior to them. You should always try to appreciate those around you, even if they have different interests or priorities than you. Try not to see those who disagree with you or like different things than you as stupid or are wrong. Number 4. You blame others for things that are your responsibility. No one likes an employee who blames the manager for everything that goes wrong, or an employee who constantly blames his coworkers for his mistakes and problems. As a result, people tend to lose respect for these individuals because they see them as immature and irresponsible. You should be prepared to accept responsibility for your actions to avoid this. Don't try to blame others for something that's your fault, even if they thought they were helping. And when something goes wrong, be quick to apologize and take action to make it right. Number 5. You only care about your own needs. Everyone has a desire to be loved, cared for, and valued. However, there's a fine line between caring about yourself and caring only about yourself. People can lose respect for someone who only cares about himself and what he wants. Why? Because it's natural to feel that this person will do the same to you when given a chance. If you want to improve in this area, be sure to make an effort to show that you care about others as much as you care about yourself. This doesn't mean that you have to be the most selfless person in the world, but you should be willing to occasionally help out others without expecting anything in return. So, what does respect mean to you in your life? Did you ever feel like you missed it? Tell me in the comments what you think, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with friends and loved ones. Thank you for your support. I suggest you watch one of these 2 videos. I think you'll enjoy it.